we will begin our public hearing, and I will call on our first speaker. First speaker is Damon Sturdivant. So, Mr. Sturdivant, please unmute your mic and you can begin.
Hi, good afternoon, good morning. My name is Damon Sturdivant. I'm a TLC driver. So, I purchased a car, a Tesla, in 2023, worth over $100,000. The insurance company that I had previous to buying the 2023 Model X does not want to give me collision insurance because my car is over 100,000. There's only four insurance companies. Now I have the liability, but I need collision insurance. And I don't see how this is possible. You know, in 2019, I purchased a Model 3. They gave me insurance. I had the collision. So now with the 2023, they don't want to give me the collision insurance. And I don't see how, again, I don't see how this is possible for these insurance companies to dictate, you know, how much your car should be worth to drive it. If now the other companies that do accept cars worth that much money won't accept a Tesla. So I'm on here to ask TLC Commission to please get in touch with these insurance companies and start making rules. Us as drivers have to abide by so many rules, which I abide by them, but these insurance companies should it's like a monopoly. It doesn't make sense. So also with the insurance companies, if you have an issue as far as an accident or somebody makes a claim or you have to make a claim, they take 6 months to pay out.
Hey, Mr. Sturdivant?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So it doesn't appear you actually have comments on the rules, but what we can do is have someone from External Affairs reach out to you later today to deal with your specific issue, if that's okay.
That's fine. That's fine.
And then we'll
I've got a flow of emails also.
Damon will also connect you with the State Department of Financial Services, who regulates the insurers in this field.
Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate your help and allowing me to speak here today. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Damon.
Okay, thank you.